Have you spent hundreds on serums only to see zero results? It's a common mistake, and you're far from alone. Most people misunderstand the critical differences between skin rejuvenation serums, anti-aging serums, day versus night serums, and groundbreaking exosome serums, missing out on real transformation. Stick around because I'll break down exactly why your serums aren't working, debunk common myths, and reveal how to finally achieve glowing, youthful skin with the right skin, rejuvenation serum, and exosome serum benefits. Just a reminder that this video is strictly for instructional purposes. So, if you have any medical concerns, consult your doctor. What is a skin rejuvenation serum, and how does it work? A skin rejuvenation serum restores radiance, smoothness, and hydration by tackling dullness and uneven texture. Unlike standard moisturizers, rejuvenation serums contain smaller molecules, quickly absorbing potent ingredients like peptides, hyaluronic acid, and antioxidants deep into your skin. These serums help stimulate collagen production, enhancing skin's natural elasticity and firmness. They also deliver targeted hydration, plumping the skin to visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Antioxidants present in rejuvenation serums neutralize free radicals, protecting your skin from further environmental damage. With consistent use, you'll notice your skin becoming softer, brighter, and noticeably revitalized. Particularly effective for those experiencing skin fatigue, stress, or exposure to harsh environmental elements, rejuvenation serums are the ultimate remedy for achieving vibrant, youthful, and healthy-looking skin. Simply put, rejuvenation serums help your skin bounce back from stress, fatigue, and dullness. What is an anti-aging serum, and what does it target? Anti-aging serums specifically target signs of aging, wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. Packed with powerful ingredients such as retinol, vitamin C, and niacinamide, these serums penetrate deeply to renew and firm your skin, boosting cell turnover and reducing age spots. Retinol helps accelerate skin renewal and improve collagen production, dramatically smoothing fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C brightens and evens out your skin tone, reducing the appearance of dark spots and discoloration. Niacinamide supports the skin barrier, reducing inflammation and visibly shrinking pores. According to Harvard Health Publishing in 2023, combining retinol with peptides can improve results while minimizing irritation, making these serums both powerful and gentle for most skin types. Ideal for anyone noticing early signs of aging or mature skin seeking rejuvenation, these serums also enhance moisture retention, leaving your skin plumper and more resilient. With consistent use, anti-aging serums significantly reduce visible aging signs, helping you maintain a youthful, radiant appearance effortlessly. Wondering if anti-aging serums work for sensitive skin? Absolutely. Just choose formulas with gentle ingredients like bakuchiol or peptides instead of strong retinoids. Night versus day serums. What's the difference? Here's what most people miss. Day serums defend against environmental damage like UV rays, pollution, and free radicals. These typically include antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and ferulic acid. They're lightweight and formulated specifically to wear well under makeup and sunscreen, ensuring your skin stays protected without feeling heavy or greasy. According to Mayo Clinic, 2025, vitamin C plays a critical role in protecting the skin from oxidative stress and supporting natural repair. Night serums, on the other hand, are all about repair and regeneration. They feature richer, more active ingredients like retinol, peptides, glycolic acid, or nourishing botanical extracts, which support your skin's natural renewal process during sleep. This nighttime rejuvenation helps to reverse daytime damage, smooth fine lines, and promote cellular turnover. Using day serums at night or vice versa can significantly diminish their effectiveness and potentially cause irritation. so getting the timing right is essential for achieving optimal skin health and visible results. In short, day serums protect, night serums repair. Timing matters. What are exosomes, and how do they work in serums? Exosomes are tiny, naturally occurring vesicles released by cells in the body. Their primary function is to facilitate communication between cells by transferring essential biological materials such as proteins, lipids, and genetic material. In skincare, exosomes derived from stem cells are incorporated into serums to significantly boost skin regeneration, reduce inflammation, and enhance collagen production. The power of exosomes lies in their unique cellular messaging capabilities, allowing them to effectively coordinate and accelerate the skin's healing and renewal processes. This deep cellular action sets exosome serums apart from traditional skincare products that mainly address superficial skin concerns. According to a groundbreaking 2024 clinical study by Johns Hopkins Medicine, participants who applied Exosome-Infused serums experienced a remarkable 30% improvement in skin elasticity and hydration after just 4 weeks of consistent use. Exosome serums represent the forefront of skincare innovation, offering advanced, potent solutions for combating signs of aging, sensitivity, and dullness. Ideal for both preventive skincare routines and corrective treatments, exosome serums seamlessly integrate into daily regimens, making them a transformative tool for achieving radiant, healthy, and youthful-looking skin. I've personally seen exosome serums completely transform skin that seemed beyond repair. If you find this content beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and enable notifications for ongoing nutrition updates. And I'll put some links down below in the video description. Coming back now to quick comparison. 4 types of serums explained. Number 1. Rejuvenation Serum. Benefits: enhances skin glow, improves texture, and provides deep hydration. Ideal for skin that appears dull, tired, or lacking radiance. Number 2. Anti-aging serum. Benefits: specifically targets wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, and skin sagging. Ideal for mature skin or those beginning to notice early signs of aging. Number 3. Day serum and night serum. Day serum benefits: offers protection against environmental stressors such as pollution and UV rays. Lightweight, antioxidant-rich formulation, ideal for daily use, especially beneath makeup and sunscreen. Night serum benefits: repairs, renews, and supports skin regeneration overnight with richer active ingredients like retinol and peptides. Ideal for nighttime skincare routines to enhance skin recovery and renewal. Number 4. Exosome Serum. Benefits: combines rejuvenation and anti-aging properties. Acts at a deep cellular level to enhance skin elasticity, hydration, and overall skin repair. Ideal for advanced nighttime treatments and comprehensive skincare routines aimed at significant, visible improvements. How to combine serums for best results. Follow these simple, clear steps each day to get the maximum benefit from your serums. Morning routine, daytime protection. Number 1. Gentle cleanser. Start by washing your face gently to remove any overnight buildup. Number 2. Day serum. Antioxidant protection. Apply a lightweight day serum with antioxidants like vitamin C or niacinamide to protect your skin from pollution, stress, and UV damage. Number 3. Moisturizer. Immediately follow with a hydrating moisturizer to keep your skin soft and comfortable throughout the day. Number 4. Sunscreen. Finish your morning routine by applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen to fully protect your skin. Night routine. Evening repair. Number 1. Deep cleanse. Thoroughly cleanse your skin to remove makeup, sunscreen, and dirt from the day. Number 2. Exosome Serum. Deep cellular repair. Apply your Exosome serum directly after cleansing to maximize skin regeneration overnight. Wait 1 to 2 minutes to allow complete absorption. Number 3. Anti-aging serum, optional for extra support. If you're targeting deeper aging concerns like wrinkles or sagging, gently layer an anti-aging serum with peptides or bakuchiol over the Exosome serum. Number 4. Night moisturizer. Finish with a nourishing night cream or moisturizer to seal in all the active ingredients and hydration. Optional glow boost, 2 to 3 times per week. On nights when your skin feels particularly dull or stressed, swap your usual nighttime serums for a Rejuvenation Serum to refresh and brighten your complexion. Particularly helpful after travel, sun exposure, or periods of stress. Have you ever used Exosome or anti-aging serums before? Which ones worked and which ones didn't? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to learn from your experience. If you're as curious about skin and beauty as I am, don't miss out. Tap the screen here to explore beauty tips and tricks. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Skin Rejuvenation Serum Exosome versus anti-aging. Embrace health. Celebrate life.